Welcome to this Omron help video on how to install a USB driver onto your PC for the Omron NB series HMI. Firstly, you will need to make sure your NB series HMI is powered and that you have a USB cable connected between your PC and the Omron HMI. We then need to go to Device Manager. We click on the Start button, go to Settings and type Device Manager in the window at the top. We can then select Device Manager and a list of connected devices will appear. Normally, the HMI will appear in your USB controllers area, but as it is currently not installed, we may need to refresh this. Simply right-click anywhere and scan for hardware changes, and you will see that a new area appears at the top called HMI USB devices. By right-clicking on this and updating driver, we can now start the process of installing USB driver. Click on Browse My Computer and then Browse and select your C drive, Program Files x86, Omron, NB Designer, and then Drivers, and click OK. If we now click Next, it will install the USB driver for your device. We can now close these windows and see that the Omron HMI USB appears under your USB controllers area. You can test this works by closing the windows and starting NB Designer. I have a pre-written project and we're going to try and download it to the NB HMI. If we go to Tools and then Transmission Settings, you should now be able to select USB, and we can then go to Tools and Download and transfer the project into the HMI. As you can see, it's now starting to download project details into the HMI, which means connection is good. Download is successful. Thank you for your time.